All right, so the essential question is, what does it mean to factor? Okay, so when we multiply, we actually put things together. So we take two numbers and we make it into one number. When we factor, we actually take the numbers and we pull it apart or take it apart. All right, so we're going to look into what are the factors of 10. So I'm going to start off by placing my 10 here. So factors of 10 are numbers that we can multiply together that will make up 10, right? So two numbers that we multiply that make up 10. The easiest one that everybody should identify is 1 and the number itself, which is 10. Another set of numbers that we can multiply together to get to 10 is 2 and 5. Okay, so our multiples or our factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Now, what are our factors of 5? Let me do that in red. So 15, I'm sorry. So 15 is the number. So multiples or two numbers that we can multiply together to get 15. That's always going to be the 1 and the number itself. And we can also multiply 3 times 5, which will also give us 15. So our factors of 15 would be 1, 3, 5, and 15. All right, the next question that we're going to ask ourselves is, what is the greatest common factor? Okay, the greatest common factor is the largest or the greatest number or factor that both of these numbers 10 and 15 share. So if I look at my answers here that I'm going to box. So we have 1, 2, 5, and 10 for factors of 10. And we have 1, 3, 5, and 15 for my factors of 15. What is the largest number that both of these boxes or rectangles that I just did share? So you can see that 5 and 5 is the largest number that both of these numbers or factors share. So our greatest common factor for these two numbers is actually 5.